Day 26. This morning I trained, drank my detox, and even gone on a bike for the first time in a while. And for a moment, I felt happy. You know that kind of happy that reminds you you're still alive? Yeah. But while I was riding, a thought kept following me all day. In fact, a regret. One that has cost me years. And today, I want to talk about it. Imagine seeing money pass through your account, but none of it is yours because it's paying off debt. Debt created by a decision you wish you could take back. Imagine waking up every day not knowing exactly how the day will end, not knowing where your next meal will come from, not knowing how everything will work out, but still picking up your camera, still training, still creating, still believing. That has been my reality. And for a long time, I thought survival was normal. I thought life was just about making it through another day, another week, another month. Survive, repeat, survive, repeat, survive, repeat. Until one day I realized I wasn't actually building, I was only surviving. And that brings me my biggest regret. In fact, my biggest regret isn't about the debt. It isn't about the mistakes. It isn't even about the sleepless nights. My biggest regret is not investing in myself sooner. The funny thing is, many people watching these videos probably don't know I'm a branding designer. Not because I'm not good at it, but because I spent years building other things instead of building my own name. Instead of becoming known for what I do best. And that decision cost me financially, professionally, personally. I ended up carrying debt. I ended up carrying pressure. I ended up carrying regret. And if I could go back and tell the younger version of myself one thing, it would be this: bet on yourself sooner. Hi, so day 26 done. I trained, I drank my detox. I also went out for biking. And today I also finished my client work. And today I also learned another lesson. Maybe you are carrying regret too. Maybe you're looking at the decision you wish you could change. You can't change yesterday. But you know what? You can change what happened next. And that's exactly what I'm doing. One day at a time. I'm Bibi, rereading my life. And for the first time in my life, I'm investing in myself. See you tomorrow and hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you like this.